Hey guys, this is B Programmer here with another video. In today's video, we're gonna change the backdrop and color it with the I say color. Because it used to be white, but I'll change it. And okay, whoa, looks a little laggy. What's going on? I'll just delete the backdrop. Okay, paint a backdrop. So right now it starts off with white as usual, but now we change it to fill, and we do convert to bitmap. Convert to bitmap usually means like it just does it for the whole place. So that's a nice color. I'll make it more dark blue. Okay, that looks nice. So now we go to code, and now we start with the variable. Now we go to the variable and delete the my variable. Okay, make a variable and call it score. Then this variable will be available. Yeah, we need it for all sprites. And then make another variable and call it lives. Lives. Okay. So far it looks so good. And make it sure it's a large readout. Make sure it's a large readout. Large readout makes it kind of look nicer. But sometimes large readouts are not that good. Large readout. Then, okay, so we have the score there. Now this time we go forever. If then score and score lives, and we do 1.5, and I duplicate it. Now this time lives. Now we do. Now we actually need another backdrop. We're gonna duplicate this and duplicate this twice, and we're gonna make this say lose. You want to win and lose, but first I'll make it with lose. Make sure it's on marker, it makes it kind of nicer. And make sure it's a different color, so it's visible. I'll make it green. Looks good for now. I'm gonna make it at 80. And brightness, like, actually I'll make it 60, because lose, you want it kind of a dark color with lose, because it's never good to lose. Nobody ever likes to lose. Then I'll put like a dot. That's good. Now change that. Put it in the middle. Then change that. And put it in the middle. Okay, it's in the middle. There we go. Now we need a win. You do more like a blue color. This, and then we do kind of pink color like that. And ooh, win. Then two of those, and then search it out like this. Oh, that was pretty nice. Okay, there we go. Win. And just so you know, if you see a little lag, it's me, not you, so you don't need to change the Wi-Fi or anything. Okay, so far that's looking kind of good. So now Now we need the code. We need to go to switch to backdrop. 3 is win, right? Yeah, 3 is win. So let's make it score. Let's make it score 10. This is gonna be kind of hard. Switch to backdrop. Now this is 2. Now then, if lives equals 0, then switch to backdrop 2 and then stop all. Stop all. Now make sure it's not in the forever, because if it is in the forever, it's gonna like when the green flag click, it's always good. So it's gonna make like nothing happen when. So make sure it's in the if then statement. So now, see, the score is 0 and the lives is 0. But now we need something else. We need to go to the events and get the one green flag clicked, and then we go to the forever. Then we go to the variables. Set. The way you do another set. Set lives to 3. Then set score to 0. Okay, and then in the forever loop, it should be. Actually, I don't think we need a forever loop. See, yeah, it just makes a score. We should always put the score here, the lives down below. Like that. Then it's like this. Oh, and then we need when green flag clicked, set switch backdrop to 1. Okay, so backdrop is 1. And I think he's going to the ladybug too fast. So I'll actually make it 2. Let's see. That's way better. So now we need the codes for the sprites. So what it is forever. Okay. Forever. If then touching. Make sure it's in events, one green flag click. Forever if then. Or we can actually put in here. No, I don't think so. We're gonna stop the thing though. If then touching ladybug. Set score to 0. No. Just change lives by -1. Not by 1. Make sure it's -1. -1. Okay. So actually, okay, I think what we can do is we go to the when I receive messages. Okay, wait. I think it might be in the broadcast. Stop. Others. This script. No, actually, we don't need this. We're supposed to wait 3 seconds. We go to actually control. Wait. Actually, we don't need the wait in here. We should need the wait inside. We need the wait inside here. Wait 3 seconds. And for this, wait 3 seconds for both. Wait 3 seconds, duplicate that, take away this. There's another 3 seconds, put it there. Now see. happened to the dragon? Oh, okay. We need to put this here and this over here. So switch the weight. So now it's here. As 3 seconds pass. Okay. Pushing the green flag. See, yeah, 3 seconds passed. And actually, we should put the next costume at the back. It's a long time. Okay, but now the game, we have nothing to change the score by, which is where something else comes in. But first, before that, anything else happens, we do forever. If then score in lives. Actually, yeah, we can do. Actually, yeah, we need that. Score. Oh, yeah, that's true. We can't do that. Okay, we do if then equal. Duplicate that. Lives and score. Safe score equal. It was on 10. Then lives equals 0. Then show. And then need to do hide and hide. One green flag clicked and one green flag clicked. Here and here. Then we're going to duplicate this and put it inside here. Is it in here? I don't think it made in here. So we duplicate. Actually, we don't need to duplicate. We just drag it. Whoa, there's 2 of them. That's not good. We just put it, drag it in here. There we go. And then we drag in here. There we go. So now, but then there's a slight thing that we don't want to miss. It's we need to show when the green flag is clicked. So we go to show, then put this here. Not see. Oh. Okay. They're showing. He's showing himself. He's turning. He's going at the right speed. But then the ladybug isn't hiding. If lives equals 0, score equals that. Is there 2 shows? Let me run this program again. Okay, so we lose, but he's still there. We need him to hide. So, then lives equals 0. Hide. There's 2 of these statements. Show. Oh, there's an error. Duplicate this. Put that out. Now let's see this. Now see this. Just let him die.
What's wrong?
Okay, actually, I'll make a part 3 on what's wrong I'll figure it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.